song already. This place will go fucking mental if Feyenoord score. Leeds are still winning 1-0 as well. Honestly, when they jump up and down up there, it's scary because the whole fucking stand's shaking. Comes through, bang, easy finish. Manuel Neuer, nowhere.